Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that this sound isn't available for licensed on TikTok. So you simply need to go on to the TikTok and you simply need to download that video and you simply need to open any video editor, for example CapCut, and you need to edit your video here in CapCut by selecting the project and adding a voice or a sound that have a restriction, and then you need to open any hotspot. You can use VPN, so I'm going to open use hotspot and you need to connect it, and then you need to go back onto the TikTok and simply click on plus and upload that video. So by this your issue will be resolved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.